They say crypto is just about volatile price swings, that it's a digital casino where fortunes are made and lost on speculation. But what if I told you that a sleeping giant, a project many of you thought you knew, is quietly, definitively redefining what blockchain is truly capable of? What if I told you they just hit a milestone that proves they're not playing the same game as everyone else? Because my friends, what VeChain is doing right now, it's a game changer, and it's going to shock a lot of people. Welcome back, crypto strategists. It's your boy, and today, we're diving deep into something truly monumental. Forget the daily pumps and dumps for a second, because VeChain, a project often associated with enterprise supply chains, has just achieved something that fundamentally shifts the narrative of real-world blockchain utility. For years we've talked about mass adoption, right? We've dreamed of a future where blockchain isn't just about trading tokens but about genuinely improving our lives. Well, VeChain isn't just dreaming anymore, they're building it. And the latest numbers from their VeBetter platform are absolutely mind-blowing. Get this. Over 20 million real-life engagements. 20 million! That's not theoretical. That's people out in the world using blockchain without even knowing it. This isn't just a platform, it's a living, breathing ecosystem designed to incentivize desirable behaviors. Think about that for a second. We're talking about incentivizing things like reusing your coffee mug, hitting the gym, or making healthier, sustainable grocery choices. This is X to Earn evolved, where the X isn't some digital game, but a tangible, positive action in your daily life. How do they do it? It's genius, really. VeChain has seamlessly woven together blockchain, AI, mobile technology, and even IoT devices. Imagine sensors and smart gadgets verifying your actions. Whether it's the number of steps you've taken or the sustainable products you've bought, this isn't just cool tech, it's a bulletproof system that eliminates fraud and ensures data integrity. And here's the kicker, the part that makes it truly revolutionary for mass adoption. The blockchain layer remains completely invisible to the user. Your grandma doesn't need to understand gas fees, private keys, or tokenomics to earn rewards for bringing her reusable bag to the store. She just uses an app, and the magic happens in the background. This is the holy grail of mainstream adoption, folks, utility without complexity. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Sounds good on paper, but Zaki, where's the proof? Where's the traction? Well, let's peel back the layers. VeBetter isn't some speculative white paper project or a fleeting fad built on shaky tokenomics. This isn't just a test platform, it's live. It's governed by a decentralized autonomous organization, and it has a shared treasury that fuels innovation without centralized control. Brands and developers aren't just building on a chain, they're tapping into a system with built-in trust, established user communities, and proven reward mechanisms. This significantly de-risks development and adoption for major players. Let's look at the numbers. Mugshot over 1 million users, 14 million actions logged. That's real people choosing sustainability, getting rewarded. Build Your Body, or BYB, a fitness app with UFC support, is thriving. And Green Cart, focused on sustainable groceries, has also soared past the 1 million user mark. We're talking about over 35 active applications spanning exercise, food, wellness, and crucial sustainability initiatives. This isn't just a niche, it's a diverse ecosystem addressing everyday needs. Many of you remember VeChain as the supply chain blockchain famous for its partnerships with giants like Walmart, China, DNV, and PwC. And yes, those partnerships are still strong, forming the robust backbone of their enterprise solutions. But this is where the plot thickens. So, VeChain's 2025 roadmap isn't just about business-to-business stuff. It's actually about a massive strategic pivot towards consumer-facing applications. They're, leveraging tokenized incentives to directly influence real-world behavior on a scale we've rarely seen before. And this isn't just about rewarding users, it's really about creating provable, verifiable value. These verified activities can be tokenized for loyalty programs, for critical environmental, social, and governance reporting, and even for, financial reporting. This basically bridges the gap between digital assets and tangible, measurable impact in the real economy. It's actually the kind of innovation that institutional investors are salivating over, pushing the boundaries of what blockchain can achieve beyond simple asset transfers. But wait, there's more. This revolutionary shift isn't happening in a vacuum. It's underpinned by a massive upgrade to the core VeChain Thor blockchain itself, the VeChain Renaissance. Many of you have been hearing about it, but let's be brutally honest, the full implications are still sinking in for many in the crypto community. Unlike the old passive staking models, this new system, including the Stargate staking platform, involves locking your VET tokens to produce unique NFTs. These aren't just pretty pictures. These staking NFTs give you governance rights, allowing you to deploy validators and participate in a far more active and engaging staking experience. This is a deliberate move to reward active participation, decentralize the network even further, and create a more robust, incentive-aligned ecosystem. Less idle holding, more active contribution. Now for the part that always gets your attention, the price. Vchain is currently trading around 2.8 cents, showing solid growth up about 6.67% in the last 24 hours, and an impressive 11% over the past 7 days. We've seen a 59% surge in daily trading volume, indicating a significant uptick in investor interest. But here's the real intrigue. Renowned analyst Michael Van de Poppe recently highlighted on X that VET is holding massively strong support amidst the wider market volatility. And get this, despite all these groundbreaking changes, all this fundamental development within the VeChain ecosystem, the current token price is roughly the same as it was a year ago. Think about that. A year of immense progress, massive real-world adoption milestones, and a complete system overhaul. Yet the price hasn't exploded yet. This, my friends, often signals a coiled spring. Van de Poppe's weekly chart reveals a classic double-bottom structure forming over the last few months. For those new to technical analysis, a double bottom is a highly bullish reversal formation. It suggests that the asset has found strong support at a certain level, failed to break lower, and is now poised for a significant upward move. And here's why this is so critical. In the past, VeChain has experienced massive rallies that originated from these exact price levels. The last major surge saw VT hit a high of 8.4 cents, reaching the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. The current price structure, with all its underlying fundamental strength, looks strikingly similar to those previous pre-surge formations. This isn't just about technical patterns, though. It's about the convergence of powerful narratives. We have a blockchain project that is actively solving real-world problems, driving tangible behavior change, and building a truly sustainable and valuable ecosystem. This isn't just speculation. This is utility-driven growth. This is the narrative that separates the long-term winners from the short-term hype cycles. So, what does this mean for us, the forward-thinking investors and crypto enthusiasts? It means VeChain is no longer just a supply chain story. It's a mass adoption blockchain powerhouse. It's a pioneer in bridging the gap between digital assets and real-world impact. And with the Renaissance upgrade creating a more active, incentivized, and decentralized network, the long-term value proposition of VET becomes incredibly compelling. We're at a pivotal moment. The foundations have been laid, the user base is growing organically, and the market structure is signaling a potential explosive move. Could VeChain be gearing up for a significant breakout, potentially retesting those previous highs and even pushing beyond? All signs, both fundamental and technical, are pointing to a very interesting future. Keep your eyes on VeChain because the quiet giant is waking up, and when it moves, it could move fast. Before you jump into any decisions, a crucial reminder. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and inherently risky. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only, and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own thorough research, consult with a qualified financial advisor, and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for today's deep dive, my friends. If you found this analysis valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more alpha, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next expose. Let me know in the comments what you think about VeChain's real-world progress and where you see VT heading. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and stay crypto-savvy. Peace out.